Are you tired of being added to various WhatsApp groups without your permission? Luckily, there's a simple solution. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set who can add you to groups on WhatsApp. Use this option to maintain control and avoid unwanted invites. Stay with me, and I'll teach you how to do it in just a few minutes. So first, open your WhatsApp application. Once you're in the app, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them, and this will open a menu with options. From the menu that appears, select the Settings option. Once you've opened the settings, find and tap on the Privacy option to open it. When you're in the Privacy settings, scroll down a bit, find the Groups option, and tap on it. Once you've opened this option, you'll see 3 available choices. If you select Everyone, anyone on WhatsApp can add you to groups. If you choose My Contacts, only people in your contact list will be able to add you. The My Contacts Accept option allows you to block specific contacts from adding you to groups. I'll choose My Contacts. And that's all there is to this video, my friends. I hope you found it helpful and successfully set who can add you to groups. If you did find it useful, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.